Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. In the last class we have seen about the addition of HCN2 aldehydes and ketones. In that case we are getting the product is nothing but cyanohydrates. Along with mechanism we have seen in the last class, very important. Okay na? Right. Now in this class I am going to discuss about the second example of nucleophilic addition, that is nothing but addition of NaHSO3. What is meant by NaHSO3? Sodium hydrogen sulfide, ITE, and also we can say that sodium bisulfite. Okay na beta? Right. So for this statement, for this reaction, first of all I am going to give you the statement मैं आपको बताता हूँ. So how does aldehydes and ketones undergoing addition with sodium hydrogen sulfide? The statement is all types of aldehydes and only lower member of ketones. All types of aldehydes, aliphatic and aromatic, but यहाँ पर ketones में only lower member of ketones, they will undergo addition with sodium bisulfite. Higher member of ketones does not undergo addition with sodium bisulfite. So reason why I will tell you at the end, but remember carefully. So aldehydes and lower member of ketones, they upon addition by what nana? Sodium bisulfite. It's going to be formed the product. The product name is very important, be careful. The product name is called bisulfite addition products. We are getting the product is what beta? Bisulfite addition products. Once again, aldehydes and lower member of ketones on addition with sodium bisulfite forms the product is bisulfite addition products. Such bisulfite addition products are known as white precipitates. So this is nothing but a white PPT compound and they are getting in solid form. So we have to say that these compounds are nothing but the crystalline solids. Precipitates are nothing but solids only beta, but which type of solid? White color crystalline solids. So final touch, again once again I am going to say the statement, aldehydes or lower member of ketones on addition with sodium bisulfite gives a white PPT of bisulfite addition products which are crystalline in nature. Statement clear Nana? Yes. Now for the statement, common reaction, one example taking aldehyde, one more example by taking ketone. Story clear? Okay. What was the common formula of aldehydes and ketones? Both are nothing but carbonyl functional group. So the common formula is nothing but bond C double bond O bond. This is the common structure of what beta? Aldehyde, and also we can say that ketone. So aldehydes and ketones, they undergo addition with what beta? Sodium bisulfite. Formula NaHSO3. Reaction is reversible procedure, you know very well. So here sodium contain the charge plus metallic form, HSO4 minus due to more electronegativity of oxygen, okay, that going to be exist in the form of anion. And यहाँ पर between carbon and oxygen, one is a sigma bond, one more is nothing but pi bond. Pi bond is more reactive, easily undergo delocalization towards the oxygen. After delocalization of pi bond, carbon contain the charge positive, oxygen contain the charge negative. Now what we have to do? NaHSO3 means sodium hydrogen sulfide, and also we can say that what beta? Sodium bisulfite. Now negative species attacks upon positive and positive species goes to be attacks upon negative beta. Now we have to write the product is carbon contain 2 bonds. Yes, here carbon contains 2 bonds. Carbon contains 2 bonds. Okay na beta? And here the charge is nothing but positive. It was attacked by negative. What is the negative part? SO3H. But SO3H means connecting through S, na beta, not connecting through S, connecting through more negative side, that is nothing but oxygen. So we have to write here O. From SO3 we are connecting through O. After the, okay, O यहाँ पर covered beta, remaining the group is nothing but SO2 group is there, and here H atom is there. Okay na, and here double bond becomes what beta? Single bond. O contain the charge negative that goes to be attacked by positive, nothing but Na plus attacks upon O minus. Simply we can say O Na. I hope you understand. This is your unstable tetrahedral intermediate. Carbon contains surrounding 4 bond, so this is nothing but what, Nana? Intermediate compound which is unstable in nature. Intermediate unstable. Such intermediate unstable form, it can be converted into stable due to concept is proton concept. So what we have to do here? Here in second step, proton transfer will be takes place. Proton symbol is H plus. So proton transfer will be takes place. Unstable form changes into the stable form. So how proton transfer is occurring? Listen carefully. O connected to Na. Na occupied by H, H occupied by Na. So this hydrogen goes to be transferred like this now. So proton transfer takes place. Position of sodium taken by H, H taken by sodium nana. Remaining everything will be same. So यहाँ पर carbon connected to 2 bonds. Okay ना बेटा. Next right side O Na. Na position taken by H. So simply we can say that OH. Below plane bond OSO2. Bond OSO2. And position of H taken by what nana? Sodium. Like this. This is your final product, bisulfide addition product. What is the product beta? Bisulfide addition products. Yeah, it is in white color. Okay, it is a white crystalline solid. Clear na? So यहाँ पर क्या हुआ ना पड़ेगा? Intermediate is unstable form changes into the stable bisulfide product only due to transfer of proton. Right Nana? Yeah. Now I am going to say the example. One second statement for you. Aldehydes and lower member of ketones on addition with sodium bisulfide gives an unstable intermediate which upon proton transfer mechanism changes into the stable white PPT stable crystalline solid, that is nothing but bisulfide addition product. Now I am going to take an example. One example by taking aldehyde, one more example by taking ketone. So here example number 1 by taking aldehyde. So what is the formula of acetaldehyde? Acetaldehyde formula is CH3CHO. So यहाँ पर क्या लिखना बेटा? CH3 group. CH3 connected to C double bond O. Above plane it contain hydrogen atom. So CH3 bond CHO, and also we can say that CH3 bond C double bond OH. So the name of this compound is aldehyde. Which aldehyde beta? Acetaldehyde. It upon undergo addition by sodium bisulfide. What is the name of sodium bisulfide formula? NaHSO3. Same thing beta. Pi bond delocalizing towards the oxygen. Carbon contain the charge positive, oxygen contain the charge negative. Here sodium contain the charge positive, bisulfite ion contain the charge is negative. So what is the name of this compound? Sodium bisulfite. CH3 bonded to C. I am going to write that as it is. C contain the charge positive, positive attacked by negative ion, that is nothing but SO3H, and also we can say that O SO2H, nothing but again we can say that SO3H, but connecting through O nana, that's why we have to write first part O. Don't write SO3H. We can write, but that is not good. Okay? Yeah. And above plane what is atom is there? Hydrogen atom is there. Yes, I have written there. Right plane double bond O becomes single bond O, and O contain the charge negative attacked by positive. Na plus adapts upon O minus. So simply here we are getting ONA. This is your tetrahedral unstable intermediate. Okay na beta? So such tetrahedral unstable intermediate form, which upon it undergo the process proton transfer, H plus transfer karna padega, means position of proton taken by sodium and position of sodium taken by H, that is only the chain beta. So what will be the give? Okay, now what is the final product here we are going to get now? CH3 bonded to C, above plane H is I have written here. Right plane O Na, but position of sodium taken by H due to transfer of proton, we have to write that OH. Below plane OSO2 H is there, H place taken by sodium, so we have to write that is nothing but what Nana? OSO2 Na. Clear? So aldehyde on reaction with acetaldehyde or addition by sodium bisulfite, it forms an unstable tetrahedral which upon proton transfer changes into the bisulfite addition product. But that bisulfite addition product coming from where? Acetaldehyde. So we have to say that the product name is called acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite. Product name is what, Nana? That is the product, bisulfite product coming from where? Acetaldehyde. That's why we have to say that acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite. Next I am going to show you example 2 beta by taking ketone. So which ketone? Higher membered ketone, acetophenone, benzophenone beta. Acetophenone, benzophenone, they are higher membered ketones. They won't participate in addition with sodium bisulfite. So we have to take only lower member of ketone, simple ketone. What is the simple ketone beta? Acetone. So formula CH3 bonded to C double bond O, again bonded to CH3. CH3 C double bond O, CH3. What is the name of this compound beta? Acetone. Okay. Acetone upon addition by sodium bisulfite, NaHSO3. Clear, Nana? Is again same thing, pi bond electrons, they are delocalizing towards the oxygen. So central C contain positive, carbonyl oxygen contain negative charge. And the name of this reagent is nothing but sodium hydrogen sulfide, and also we can say that sodium bisulfite. Here in that sodium contain the charge positive and anionic form HSO3 minus the negative charge. Negative attacks upon positive, positive attacks upon negative. C connected to 2 methyl group. Is carbon connected to 2 methyl groups. Central C contain the charge positive, attacked by negative ion oxygen, so OSO2H, and also we can say that SO3H, but we have to give the connection through only oxygen. Okay beta, and Na plus attacks upon O minus and double bond becomes single bond, so ONA. Again this is your what, Nana? Tetrahedral intermediate unstable form. It changes into the stable, so by the only transfer of protons, H plus transfer. So only by the transfer of proton, position of H taken by sodium, sodium position taken by the proton beta. So what will be the final product? CH3 bonded to C. Above plane we have to write that CH3. Below plane we have to be write that OSO2H. That okay, H taken by Na. So we have to say that OSO2 Na. Clear now? Remaining is यहाँ पर O bonded to Na, but यहाँ पर Na plus taken by what, Nana? H. So this is nothing but the sodium bisulfite product. Sodium bisulfite addition product. But this is coming from where? Acetone. So that's why we have to say that compound name is called acetone sodium bisulfite. Acetone sodium bisulfite. This is the reaction beta. Yes, common statement, common reaction, general statement, general reaction based on the two example, one by taking aldehyde, one more by taking lower ketone, that is nothing but acetone. So aldehydes and ketones on addition with sodium bisulfite, finally they forms the product bisulfite addition products, white precipitates, all they are nothing but the crystalline solids. So acetaldehyde gives acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite and acetone gives acetone sodium bisulfite. This is your clear reaction, addition of sodium bisulfite. I hope you understand better. Good. So from this sodium bisulfite concept to note points, I want to say that note point number 1. Yeah. Addition of sodium bisulfide. It is not possible to all types of carbonyl compound, but it can possible for all types of aldehydes. So we have to say that aldehydes and, but it cannot possible to all types of ketone. It is possible only for lower member of ketone. Which member? Lower member. That means we have to say that aliphatic methyl ketones. Aliphatic what beta? Methyl ketones. So aldehyde, all types of aldehydes and aliphatic methyl ketones, simple methyl ketones, benzene ring narena ketone में, means not acetophenone, not benzophenone. So aliphatic methyl ketones, that means lower member of ketones and all types of aldehydes, they upon addition by sodium bisulfite, definitely they are going to give the product is nothing but what beta? Bisulfite addition products. Same like about two examples. Aldehydes and lower member of aliphatic methyl ketone. Methyl ketone. Dimethyl ketone beta. So aldehydes and lower member of aliphatic methyl ketones upon addition by sodium bisulfite, they will form the bisulfite addition products. This is the note point 1 common point already I have given to you. But try to remember on second note point. Note point 2. This is question, very important question. Question for how many marks, Nana? 1 mark question, important question. So they can ask you, why only aliphatic methyl ketones undergo addition by sodium bisulfite? Why not higher ketones? So first of all, information about the higher ketones. First of all, tell me one thing. So what is meant by higher ketone? Higher ketones, example is, one is acetophenone. Do you know the structure of acetophenone? Yes, I hope maybe you may know very well. So what was the formula? Benzene. Benzene bonded to C double bond O and C double bond O bonded to CH3. That is our acetophenone. Next, one more example of higher ketone, that is nothing but the benzophenone. Benzophenone. So what is the structure of benzophenone beta? Yes, we have to take two benzene rings like that. Between two benzene ring, C double bond O group is there. So higher ketones example acetophenone and benzophenone. They are not aliphatic in nature, they are aromatic in nature. Aromatic ketones or higher ketones which are having bulky benzene rings, such higher ketones, they do not undergo, they do not show reaction with what, Nana? Sodium bisulfite. They does not show reaction with sodium bisulfite. That means they does not form the addition products. Due to reason is, around C double bond O group, bulky benzene is there. Around C double bond O group, two bulky benzene is there. Bulky benzene ring means it causes repulsions, steric repulsions. And also we have to say that such concept is known as what beta? Steric hindrance. What, Nana? Steric hindrance. That is the reason we have to say that. Nothing but steric repulsions between two bulky benzene rings. Or we can say trains of benzene ring, it causes more steric repulsions. Due to steric repulsions, it will avoid the nucleophilic attack. Okay. So lower aliphatic methyl ketones and all types of aldehydes upon addition by sodium bisulfite, they will give the bisulfite addition products. Like this bisulfite addition products. But higher ketones such as one is acetophenone, one more is benzophenone, they are having bulky steric or we can say bulky repulsive benzene rings are there. They causes the repulsions. Nucleophilic attack cannot be takes place easily. Okay na. So higher ketones such as acetophenone and benzophenone, they never undergoes addition reaction with sodium bisulfite and they does not form the bisulfite addition products. Due to reason is higher ketones they are having more steric hindrance or we can say more steric repulsions. Carbonyl carbon cannot be attacked easily by nucleophile. Story clear beta? So this is very important question for you, 1 mark, and these reactions don't need to say already evergreen beta. Okay, good. So addition of sodium bisulfide, everything I have told you. But from that sodium bisulfide topic, we have this one. Okay, now we have one reaction that is that is for objective point of view. Right. So from this topic, addition of sodium bisulfide, one objective topic is only for objective. Bisulfide addition products. Bisulfide addition products again upon heating with either in presence of acids and also in presence of alkalis and also upon heating in presence of sodium carbonate. One second. So bisulfide addition products upon heating with mineral acids and upon heating with alkalis, nothing but bases, and also we can say that upon heating with sodium carbonate. Okay, and they are going to form the products are nothing but the again same thing, aldehydes and ketones. So once again I am going to repeat the statement. So aldehydes and ketones upon addition by sodium bisulfide, just now we have seen they forms the product bisulfide addition products. Again such bisulfide addition products, they can be converted back into aldehydes and ketones upon heating with acids and bases and base carbonates, nothing but metal carbonates. So upon heating with anyone, again bisulfide products, they can be converted into aldehydes and ketones. Sir, how? I am going to show the reaction. Okay. Bisulfide addition product. Tell me the formula. Again bond. Same thing, above plane bond. Below plane, right plane में क्या लिखना बेटा? Generally O Na will be there, but after proton transfer you will get OH. Below plane OSO2 Na will be there. Yes or no? Yes, OSO2 Na. So this is your what? Bisulfide addition product. Yes. Bisulfide addition products upon heating with what? Acids. Let me write first of all one acid. First suppose that is nothing but the dilute hydrochloric acid. Nahi to we can say that upon heating with alkali, nothing but base. Let me write one base. The base is nothing but sodium hydroxide. And also we can say that okay, bisulfide addition products upon heating with what? Sodium carbonate solution, Na2CO3 solution. Any one respective acid or solution we can take now. Automatically bisulfide addition products, they will be converted back into original compound, that is nothing but aldehyde or maybe ketone. So what is the formula of aldehyde and ketone? Bond C double bond O bond, bond C double bond O bond. Here also same thing, bond C double bond O bond. From that all three cases, upon heating with acid, upon heating with base, upon heating with sodium carbonate, we are getting the product is what? Either maybe aldehyde or maybe ketone. Okay, and in first case what are the byproduct? Along with the formation of aldehyde and ketone, Na combines with Cl and goes to be eliminated in the form of NaCl. Okay beta, H plus combines with OH and goes to be eliminated in the form of water molecule. That one oxygen should be remains here, remaining SO2 group will be there, that SO2 gas we have to be removed beta. Okay na? Next one, upon reaction with NaOH nana, so totally how many sodiums are there? 2 sodiums are there. So 2 sodiums we have to be removed in the form of sodium sulfite. Sodium sulfite. Yes, here how many hydrogen atoms are there? यहाँ पर एक hydrogen, यहाँ पर एक hydrogen, यहाँ से OH, यहाँ से H. So we can remove in the form of which molecule beta? Water molecule. Here also balancing was over. Again bisulfide addition products, they can be converted back into aldehyde and ketone upon heating with sodium carbonate. बट यहाँ पर 2 सोडियम, यहाँ पर 1 सोडियम. So Na2 form changes into same like above, Na2SO3. One more Na is there and यहाँ पर CO3 is there. यहाँ से H लेना पड़ेगा. So that was eliminated in the form of NaHCO3, which is sodium bicarbonate. Everything will be balanced. So once again I am going to say the common concept for objective point of view. Bisulfide addition products upon heating with acids, upon heating with alkalis, upon heating with carbonates, they can be converted back into again aldehydes and ketones after the loss of some byproducts along with the formation of some byproducts. Okay na beta? So bisulfide addition products, they can be converted back into aldehydes and ketones in that how many methods? 3 methods: upon heating with acid, upon reaction with alkalis, upon reaction with sodium carbonate. Okay na beta? So okay, bisulfide compounds are converted into aldehydes and products. This is fine, but why they are doing this reaction? What is the use of this reaction? The use is, this method is used in the separation and this reaction is used in the separation and purification of, this reaction is used in the separation and purification of aldehydes and ketones. So okay, in the separation of aldehydes and ketones, in the purification of aldehydes and ketones from other compounds which do not form the bisulfide products. So aldehydes and ketones, they will form the bisulfide products, but some of the ketones they are not forming na beta. So from that other compounds, aldehydes and ketones, they can be separated, they can be purified, okay, by using this method. But you have to be remember that point only. Okay na beta? Good. So addition of sodium bisulfide story completely. Okay na, clean sweep ho gaya beta. Next topic, now only I want to tell you, that is nothing but the okay बेटा, the topic we will discuss in tomorrow's class. Okay ना, right? ये topic perfectly practice कर लो, जब का जब भी reaction practice कीजिए बेटा, time waste नहीं करना पड़ेगा. Okay ना?